We have mastered the basic of the English waltz. Now let's get back to our choreography. Let's dance the whole thing once again. We'll show how long you should dance the waltz and how to finish it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. Attention. We move on to our right leg and extend our arm. Do not connect the legs on 3. Our partner takes the same step as before. Let's continue. We trade places with our partner. We start with the left leg. I make half a turn, taking a step with my right leg, and continue the turn onto my left leg. It's the same in the other direction. Right leg, left, and right. Gentlemen, it's important to help your partner change sides during this sequence. We'll help by using our hand, and we'll get out of our partner's way to make it easier for her to change sides. We finished the English waltz on joined legs. We start to move starting with our right leg, going diagonally backwards. During this step, we start to rotate our partner, moving the hand backwards. Step right, once. On the second step, we join our feet. Our partner is across from us. On the third step, we go with the right leg to the side, and on the fourth step, we join our legs. Going into the other direction analogically. Left leg slightly backwards, using our left hand to help our partner rotate. 3, 4, we go to the side from our left leg and join. After completing this sequence, we will take a step towards each other, starting with our right and our partner using her left.